Did you know you can use an iPad split screen to allow the use of two iPad apps at once? Let's check out how easy this is to use. Split screen is a great option to be able to use two iPad apps at the same time. It's really handy if you want to read one and write on another, or if you'd like to be able to drag photos from one site to another. So to do the split screen, first of all, you have one app open. Right now the app I have open to start with is just the Notes app. So I'm going to open another app. To do that, I swipe up from the bottom to get my menu, and then I select the other app that I want to open. So I want to open Safari. So I'm going to grab it, I'm going to tap it, and slide it over to the side screen. I can slide it to either side. Now if you notice the top isn't quite up to the very top of the screen, so I'm just going to tap it, swipe it down just a little bit, and then it becomes equal to the other on the top. Now I can go ahead and take that middle bar between the two apps and slide it over so that each app gets half the screen. Once I've done this, I can use two apps. Now it's really handy to be able to grab an image from the internet to add on to something I'm doing, something I'm creating, such as a Google slide or Google Doc, or even in this case a note from the iPad. So I'm just going to put my finger on an image, and then I can just slide it right over into the other app I'm using. That's how easy it is to use the Google or the Apple split screen. When I'm done using it, I can just slide that right back over. I can do a fourth or a third again, or I can completely get rid of it, and I'm able to go back to just using one screen.
And now you know.